Hello guys, welcome back to my channel ChatBotGPT-AI. In this video we are going to learn how to use ChatGPT. How to use ChatGPT, step-by-step instructions. If you're wondering how to use ChatGPT, you're not alone. ChatGPT took the world by storm when it launched in late 2022, and it has only grown in popularity since. Part of the reason it's so popular is that it's incredibly versatile. Aside from holding a conversation, it can be a solid research tool, generate content with ease, and even code a basic website. And that's just the things it can do that are commonly known. There are also several things ChatGPT can do that most people don't know about, including playing a game it created. So we are here to show you how to use ChatGPT so you can start doing all these amazing things and more. To use ChatGPT you'll need two things: an OpenAI account and a web browser. ChatGPT currently doesn't have an app, but it works on most popular browsers from Chrome to Edge, and you can even use it on your. To use ChatGPT you'll need two things: an OpenAI account and a web browser. ChatGPT currently doesn't have an app, but it works on most popular browsers from Chrome to 1. EDG sign up for an OpenAI account. 2. Complete OpenAI account sign up. 3. Verify your phone number. 4. Accept ChatGPT terms and conditions. 5. Start using ChatGPT. Sign up for an OpenAI account. You'll need to have an OpenAI account to use ChatGPT, so head over to chat.openai.com and either select login to use an existing account, or select sign up to create a new one. You can also select continue with Google Microsoft to create an account using your existing Microsoft or Google account, but you'll need to select sign up first. Complete OpenAI account sign up. Once you've signed up, you'll need to complete creating your OpenAI account. To use ChatGPT, first, enter your name and select continue. Verify your phone number. To finish your account setup, you'll need to link a phone number. Select your region and enter a phone number. Then select send code. Then, enter the code you received on your phone. Accept ChatGPT terms and conditions. Congrats! You have an OpenAI account to use ChatGPT. Now you just need to accept the ChatGPT terms and conditions. Read the message that pops up and then select next. Then, read the second message about data collection and privacy and select next. Start using ChatGPT. Now you're all set up to use ChatGPT. Type in a question in the chat box at the bottom to get started. Select new chat in the top left at any time to begin a new conversation. Tips on how to use ChatGPT. There you have it. You now know how to use ChatGPT. But to get the most out of the chatbot, you'll want to use some of these tips. Use simple and specific prompts. Lean into the conversational nature of the chatbot. Ask ChatGPT to try again if it gets things wrong. Use these tips and you'll be a ChatGPT master in no time, getting it to write poetry in multiple languages, create a sci-fi novel out of thin air, help you with homework and many other tasks besides. Just remember that ChatGPT does get things wrong. It's only as good as the data it's trained on, and it doesn't always pull the data properly. So always double check and proofread the information it provides you. ChatGPT is an impressive tool, but it's not perfect. And if ChatGPT isn't working for you, that could just be down to too many users trying to use the platform at once. Refresh the web page and then try again, and it usually will work. If it doesn't work on a second try, just wait a minute, refresh and try again. If you don't want to be kept waiting, consider ChatGPT Plus, which promises priority access to users who pay $20 a month. ChatGPT is likely the best AI tool for the job. It can produce natural-sounding text that reads as if a human wrote it. And the best part? The chatbot is completely free to use, except for an optional ChatGPT Plus subscription that grants you slightly higher quality responses. So without wasting any more time, here a quick guide on how to use ChatGPT and extract the most value out of it. Assuming you followed the previous section, you should now have access to ChatGPT chat interface. As you can see in the screenshot above, it's rather straightforward. A history bar hidden to the left and an empty text box at the bottom of your screen. The latter is where we all type our prompts and communicate with the chatbot. ChatGPT's main draw lies in its ability to engage in back and forth dialogue like a human. So with that in mind, just enter whatever comes to your mind without shaping the query. You could start with a greeting, issue a command, or ask a question. Here are a few example prompts that I have used over the past few weeks. Explain retrograde and prograde motion in the context of space missions. Generate a poem about an AI chatbot that went rogue. Once you get a response, You can also continue with a follow-up message. The bot will remember everything and reply with that context in mind. For example, ask ChatGPT to write an email in one prompt and then say something along the lines of "please make it sound less formal." Keep in mind that ChatGPT has a 4096 character limit, which includes both your prompt and the chatbot response. That's pretty generous for most cases, though. OpenAI has trained the chatbot on billions of text samples, so it knows a lot about the world and can even speak multiple languages. However, it has a knowledge cut-off of 2021. So don't expect accurate answers on current affairs. ChatGPT also struggles with math questions, so you can really rely on it to do your homework. I personally recommend Wolfram Alpha instead, as it can solve everything from basic quadratic equations to complex integrals. Finally, you are done with this. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe our channel.